to another video of SwiftCat. In this video, I'm going to show how we can make a custom pop view or else an alert dialog in a Flutter application. So what we expect at the end of this video, I have here a button called showDialog. So when I click on the button, it will give a pop-up which is having a text, image, and a button. You can customize further according to your need as well. So that's what we're going to do. So let's start doing it. So initially, what do I have here is I just have a application with a button. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I need to create a custom pop view so that I can implement on this show dialog on this. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I have already the source code which I'll be providing in my video description. If you check in the video description, you can find that there is a file called the custom pop view. So inside that I have already written the codes which is required for the dialog, or else what we can say is alert dialog. All right, so just I'm copying this codes and I'm pasting it in my main dot file. Find some space over here. All right, so then I'm gonna explain you what is inside this. Alright, so I have here a function which is called a widget a show dialog pop view. Inside that I have created a show dialog which is having a context and then I have a return which is having the alert dialog. Alright, so here what is having is here is the content edges, all these things I have given here, and inset padding which is from the horizontal, which means like from the left. Alright, and then I have the content which is having the container. I'm setting here the height as 199. So if you want less or more, you can custom over here. Then I have created a single child scroll view so that I can start the rows and the columns. So okay, so I have started with the column. First of all, I had it size boxed in order to take a space on the top. Then I have a row, which means I'm giving here an image and also a text which is having I love Flutter. Image I have already in my assets folder. If you want, you can customize further based on your requirement. So this is your image, like this is your image if you want. All right, and then I have here another row. Why I need to set here row is if I give as in the column, if I give directly the text button, it will be on the left side. So I want to place this in the middle of the screen. That's why I have written here row, and the main axis which I have given here as center, and then I have given a symbol text button which is having a close. That's what you can see in the after running. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is finally I'm going to call this inside my button. So I'm going here inside the text button. What I'm going to here is show here is the name show dialog pop view. I don't know why it's not showing up. Alright, so I'm going to paste it over here. Alright, that's it. So let me run this now. Alright, so I think it's run. Okay, here we go. I have the pop view which is having a image and also the text and a button. So if you want to customize this pop view, currently it's showing in the center. If you want to place it somewhere else on the top or the bottom, means you can customize over here, like inside this section. Here you can say that alignment. You find here alignment. This is 0.0, which is for the top center. Sorry, this is for the middle. And if you want to go for the top or the bottom, you can just customize this. Let me go 0, 1. So check what's happening here. Here we go, this came in the bottom, and if in case I go like -1, let me run it. it came on the top. All right. So if you want, right now it's showing in the top center. If you want to change also, you can put here this instead of this 00, you can also customize there. Or else if you want little bit down, means you can put like 0 0.5. Let me check. 0 0.5 means there will be a space in between the frame, top frame. Currently it's restarted. Here we go. Here's this, like this. All right. So that's all. Let me put back in the 00. So I'll be providing this source inside my video description. You can customize further according to your requirement. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.